TripAdvisor affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the TripAdvisor affiliate program, how it works and how can you also get started as an affiliate marketer on TripAdvisor affiliate program. So with over 20 years of experience, TripAdvisor has built trusted tourism and international travel website. The company has more than 455 million unique monthly visitors and 600 million reviews on all travel listings. In addition, all travel listings, the TripAdvisor program allows publisher to earn money by creating content about hotels and experiences. Here is how the TripAdvisor affiliate program works. So the publisher creates content and earn money through click out. Customer click on affiliate link on the publisher website that directs them to the TripAdvisor website where they can book a gateway. Each time a customer click a link, banner or ads on the website, publishers earn a minimum of 50% of commission. The publisher will be able to earn 50% of the commission from every successful transaction they make through their TripAdvisor affiliate link. So in order to get started, all you have to do is just sign in the TripAdvisor affiliate program network if you haven't already. So just scroll down and click on get started and just click on sign up. Now in order to become a CG publisher, all you have to do is just fill up this form where you have to fill in all your basic information like the language, your country or your region, your email address, your password, and just click on verify email. This will take few days for TripAdvisor to review your profile and allow you to become an affiliate for them. So what type of product there are featured on TripAdvisors that you can go ahead and promote. So TripAdvisor deals with almost every aspect of traveling and publishes a wide variety of content on more than 49 separate websites, including Cruise Critic, Flipkey.com, and many others. That said, affiliate can promote content on the following topics. On the topics such as hotels, restaurants, flights, holiday homes, car rentals, and many other things to do. Although you can point out that even all these things are free to focus on any of these topics, TripAdvisor pays affiliate only for the hotel bookings. So that is something that you have to keep in mind. So anyone interested in travel blogging is free to join the program. However, the TripAdvisor website states that some entities or individuals are ineligible to join. Businesses or individuals who direct competitors to the TripAdvisor or typically not allowed to join the program. So you may receive a fine if you are enrolled as an eligible affiliate such as Meta Travel search engine like Sidestep, Fly.com, etc., or hotel, airfare or vacation rental content aggregator site, the employee's agent, and the corporate affiliate for the above mentioned companies. So if you want to enroll in the program, your content should be related traveling. You should always comply with the program's terms and conditions, which includes publishing original and relevant content. So once your account get approved with TripAdvisors, then you will be able to receive a clickable link that you can use on your site to direct traffic to TripAdvisors. Now there may be a question in your head that what is the benefit that the traveler would have through TripAdvisors while using it. So TripAdvisor comes with many benefits for travelers, including a wide range of reviews about different destinations and recommendations from people all over the world. A variety of travel related content and things to do guides will also be there to help them out, and there are special offers and discount announced by companies advertising on the website. So there are multiple benefits using TripAdvisors for a traveler for that matter. So there are few things that you have to keep in mind while writing a piece of content for TripAdvisor as a publisher. So TripAdvisor's platform provides a wide network of travel material that affiliate can promote. That is why you need to publish creative and appealing content to capture the attention of travel enthusiasts. Here are some tips that I'm gonna share with you. So personalize your content for the audience. Potential travelers are more likely to respond to the personalized offers that are on par with their wants and needs. Come up with a user-friendly design and a copy that speaks directly to them. For example, Amazon and Netflix use customers' data to come up with relevant and personalized recommendations based on their customer tastes and previous purchases. Focus on visuals. From hotel interiors to beautiful remote destinations, you can use appealing content to grab the attention of many holiday seekers. Don't shorten URL links and redirect in your copy. Let people see that it's lead them to TripAdvisors. Many people now scrolling through options or checking out ranking for inspiration. People will more likely to click on such heading as 5 best vacation places for summers or top 20 countries to travel in Europe, etc. So use ad tracking softwares for monitor your performances and make necessary changes to your strategy. For example, you can track the conversion rate of your post, etc. So finally, TripAdvisor is a platform platform that deals with a variety of travel content. Given the website popularities, enrolling in the program as it speaks such as an opportunity to cater to a large number of people, relatively higher commission rate and long-lasting cookies. TripAdvisor also have an easy sign-up process, so you can go ahead and register now and start crafting your content. I hope you find this video to be informative. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.